online shoppers, I'm going to give you an FAQ on the Kaboom toilet bowl cleaning system. It is definitely something that's in use at my house, and I'm going to run through a lot of questions that people have and show you that you can use this to do the heavy lifting for you. One question that people frequently ask about this is, when you install this, do you have to keep cleaning your toilet with a manual brush? And my answer to that is yes and no. I find that I don't have to use the manual brush as frequently. Used to use it at least once a week to clean the toilets, but I find that with this system installed, I don't have to clean them as frequently. There's something about the detergent that's in here that does a great job of keeping the stains off the toilet and allows me to go longer in between manual cleanings. Another question that people often ask is, what's the smell like for this product? There is a slight smell of chlorine, but it's not overpowering or something that punches you in the face. To me, when I smell it, I know that this is doing its work, keeping my toilet bowl sparkly, and I think it's kind of nice. It's like a peace of mind knowing that it's working. But it's definitely not too strong and definitely not overpowering. Another question that people ask is, how easy was the installation? Well, the installation is actually really easy. This clip here fits over the back of your toilet and it's pretty flexible. So all you have to do is just stretch it over top like that and it will fit into your toilet really well. I'm also happy that it doesn't interfere with the placement of the lid on top of the toilet. It's really low profile and it doesn't make the toilet not sit and close properly. Another question people always ask is, how do you get the tablets inside? When you take this lid off, there's space in here for 2 tablets. You can see them in there, they're lined up. You probably could even fit a third in here, but each set of 2 tablets is supposed to last for 3 months. So if you're looking for something that you can kind of set it and forget it, this one here will do. You just put your tablets in, it comes in a little container like this, drop your tabs in, close the lid, and flush away. Another great thing is once you've installed this, you don't have to install it a second time. You can actually just buy refills of this so that all you have to do is add in your 2 tablets every 3 months. It'll keep your toilet smelling fresh and looking sparkly. The last question that people ask pretty frequently is, how long does this last? It recommends that each of the 2 tablets, when put in here, is going to last somewhere around 3 months. But I love how well it works, and I will say that when I get to about the end, maybe the last 5 or 6 days of the 3rd month mark, I will just pop the other tabs in, even if there's a little bit left, because I feel like if I have it in there and it's a good strong concentration, I'm not going to have to scrub my toilet as hard. Adding these in a little bit earlier than 3 months definitely isn't a negative for me. I hope you found my FAQ helpful. This is definitely a toilet bowl cleaning system that I love having in place at my house. It saves me time and it saves me energy, and I'm not manually scrubbing my toilet bowl as much, and that's why it's a family favorite at my house.